Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to create new account on Roblox. To do this, first open your Roblox and tap on create account. And then set your date of birth. And tap on confirm birthday. And now type your username. And then select your gender. And tap on continue. Now create a strong password. You have successfully created your account. But if you want to complete your account, then add your email address and go to your settings and tap on account info and then verify your age. By doing this process, you can successfully create and complete your Roblox account. Thank you.